Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Governor cites procedural and constitutional deficiencies in Lokayukta Bill. Law Department to rectify and send it back within a week. IAC smells foul play. Opposition with CM on regional plan issue demands amendments and not scrapping. Congress MLAs intensify oppose. Mami demands scrapping of RP. Wants Chowgule Higher Secondary of legal action on closure issue, says all options open including takeover. Parikar Vijay Sardesai asked government to take over the section. Treat for film enthusiasts during IFE. Masterclass by famed Hollywood film director Phil Noyce and Oscar-winning sound engineer Resul Pokutti. And Goa take on Jammu and Kashmir in third Ranji Trophy match from Thursday in Jammu. Fight back against Assam boosts Goa's confidence. And now the news in detail. Governor has sent the Lokayukta Bill back without approving it. Sources say that bill has many procedural and constitutional deficiencies. Government says that Law Department will study the bill and send it back to the governor within next week. But India Against Corruption activists claim that government is delaying the implementation of Lokayukta purposely.
These are some of the constitutional matters where I am not supposed to comment on governor's view. Governor an कितीतरी queries करल्या. पडतेंगे. Law Department examine करतलो. पडते.
However, India Against Corruption activists are not happy with this. They charge that the state government doesn't want to appoint Lokayukta before the assembly election.
गवर्नर को इस बिल को वापस भेजने का या उसके ऊपर कुछ करेक्शन सजेस्ट करने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. गवर्नर का कार्य खाली उतना ही है कि जब सरकार ने उनके पास बिल भेजा है तो वो बिल राष्ट्रपति को फॉरवर्ड कर दे.
लोकांचो सरकारा वयलो विश्वास उडत चल्ला. लोकांक दिसता आणि इंडिया अगेन्स्ट करप्शनाक दिसता की ही सगळी डिलेइंग टॅक्टिक्स म्हणून कितें तरी निमित्त करपाचें. इलेक्शना पयलीं हो कायदो करपाचो न्ही म्हणजे इलेक्शना पयलीं लोकायुक्त येवचो ना. सगळ्यांक जे कोण भ्रष्टाचारी आसात तांकां सगळ्यांत चड भंय आसा तो की जर लोकायुक्त इलेक्शना पयलीं अपॉइंट जालो आणि कार्यरत जालो जाल्यार तांचें कितें जातलें.
Sources say that the Lokayukta bill passed in the assembly is sent back as it has many procedural and constitutional deficiencies. Sources also say that the state government will send the bill back to the governor after correction within a week. Our reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, Devidas Kamli with video journalists Ravindra Dalvi and Sarvesh Veluskar.
The BJP is with Chief Minister on the issue of regional plan. The opposition party has demanded amendment in plan and not scrapping. This is the exact thing CM has proposed to the NGOs and activists. BJP has asked government to consider the points raised by some of the civic groups.
Regional Plan 2021 is in the eye of controversy again. Many organizations and panchayats have demanded scrapping of the regional plan, whereas many have demanded amendments. BJP wants suspension of the plan but not scrapping. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar says that various flaws raised by the villagers and NGOs should be considered.
What I feel that major aspect of the opinion of the villagers should be definitely taken into consideration by government, and implementation of 2011 should be suspended till such reservations are addressed to. Implementation of the regional plan should be suspended for a period of say 6 months for completion of all these activities.
Lone female MLA Victoria Fernandez has also demanded scrapping of regional plan.
As far as possible, it has to be scrapped. कळले? As far as possible. तांणी सगळे ओपिनियन घेवपाचे ग्राम सभान हाडटा ते करपाचे बट द बेसीक म्हाका जाय कितें बेस न्ही आमची आदी पळय आसलेली बेस रिजनल प्लॅन डन बाय दिस टास्क फोर्स आनी एडगर घेवन ते नॉलेजेबल पर्सनॅलिटीज तांकां घेवन तांणी केल्लो ती बेस दवरपाची आनी ताजेर हे ग्राम सभान व्हरून लोकांचो ओपिनियन घेवपाचो.
A reporter from Panji, Basri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Education Minister Babush Monserrat has warned Chowgule Higher Secondary of legal action if section is closed. He said all options are open, including takeover of the higher secondary section by the state government. Babush Monserrat, along with GPCC General Secretary Vijay Sardesai, held a meeting on this issue with Chief Minister on Wednesday. BJP has also demanded takeover of the section.
Education Minister Babush Monserrat spoke to Prudent media after a meeting with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath at his official residence at Altino. He said that government will not allow the Chowgule management to close down the higher secondary section.
No, our stand is very clear. We are here to protect the interest of the students. Okay, we will not just allow any institutions just to be closed down by just a mere letter saying that we want to close down the institution. We have already discussed and we are formulating our stand, and we will be replying to the letters which they have sent to us.
Will you propose to take over that secondary section?
All options are open. All options are open. We will take legal course of action if needed, and as and when it is needed.
In any way, you will not
we will see to it that the educational institution will not close down.
GPCC General Secretary Vijay Sardesai said that to protect the interest of the students, Congress will go to any extent. He suspects commercialization in the entire episode.
Now the education department has to legally consult an expert and write in a reply, because there is no precedent for such type of a situation. It is the first time it has happened in Goa that an institution is thought to be just closed down for pecuniary benefits. They are trying to make money, and they are not able to make much money in the higher secondary. That is why they are seeking to close it down.
So you suspended commercialization?
100%. There is commercial interest involved, and it would set a very wrong precedent. Tomorrow everybody will start following this.
Meanwhile, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has blamed the state government for neglecting the educational sector. He says that government should take over the Chowgule Higher Secondary section. BJP wants Education Minister to intervene. He has party's full support to the Education Minister on this issue.
आमचो strong विरोध आसा. We will not permit this. We will not allow government to close down this school. We demand that Education Minister immediately step in. If Digambar does not listen to him, then he can take our support on this issue. We are ready to support this view. We demand that he takes a stand on this issue. It cannot be left to the Director of Education. It cannot be left to Secretary of Education. It's a very serious issue. It can have an impact on the educational field of the state.
Our reporter from Panji, Basri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.